When looking at your project's drawings on the job site, trusting that the drawings are the most current version is of utmost importance, but also having the ability to reference additional documentation like other files, forms, or RFIs when you need to is just as important. The efficiencies you can gain from utilizing sheets in Autodesk Build, along with the markup references, will save you countless trips back and forth to the trailer to grab the one piece of information that was missed. After creating a markup on a sheet, select Edit. In the options, you have the ability to change details of the markup, such as border colors, fill opacities, and whether to publish the markup, which means it then becomes public for the entire team to see. Clicking links in the markup edit view allows the user to add a number of references, such as other files, forms, and submittals. In this example, we're selecting an existing form to add to the markup, but the user also has the ability to create new forms or new RFIs if one doesn't exist. Once added, references become live links, so if you need additional information, you can click the reference and are taken to the associated tool. When references are added to a markup, you have the ability to scroll through what references exist. In addition to managing issues on sheets, the Issue Pins markup can also host their own references, like RFIs, photos, files, or assets. After creating these markups and references, users can view them on mobile devices. This ensures that when looking at your project sheets, you can rest assured that you have access to all of the most up-to-date information.